Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will explore Hugging Face. It is a hub of open source AI models. So as you see, I am exploring a model that is text to image generation. So you can also see this pink baby elephant. So let's tweak this prompt. Pink baby elephant walking on highway. Let's see what it generates. Okay, so it will take some time to generate the image and we can read the model description. This will help us to understand how this specific model works. So it is very important to read the description of the model that is given in this interface. You can see this diagram and this explanation. So you can read this. Okay, so our pink baby elephant walking on highway is ready. So let's explore another prompt. You can say and white tiger. Okay, so I write baby elephant, so I think white tiger should also baby. Let's see. Oh my god. By the way, I'm not following any prompt engineering rules that we discussed in our prompt engineering series. I'm just exploring randomly type any word. So you should be used in proper way using prompt engineering techniques. Let's move towards another prompt. Red apple in baskets. Apple must be look like realistic, Unreal Engine, 3D effect. Let's see what it generates. I think we should remove 3D effect on Real Engine and we can write a better prompt. Red apple in basket placed on a table. Wow, this image is very good. Okay, let's explore another model. So we can go to text to image and Black Forest Labs Flux One. Yes, this model. Right, go with neon lights in a room wall. See, with just a simple prompt, we'll get this image. And imagine when we write proper prompt in this model, so what results we can get. Okay, this is my name. Let's write about our profession. Write prompt. Amazing. By the way, you can sell these images also. This is full of opportunities, you just have to explore it. Okay, now we'll write white fish in a crystal clear blue water and sunlight. Amazing, we can zoom it out. Let me take a look. Yes, we can zoom this. See the crystal clear water, white fish, and the sunlight. You can see this description. Carefully read this. And for people who are in technical terms, you can use Hugging Face for these models APIs and you can use in your projects. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned.